How to find search bar on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Just you have to open the app in your phone and you can see how to search for a video on TikTok. Different appears videos will appear here. Before finding opening the search bar, you have to check out at the top right corner there is a search option. You can click on it and search videos of your interest like birthday videos. I am going to search. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see different videos according to your birthday will appear here. In this way you can search for videos or for different content being you are interested on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.